If you want to ensure that your breath is always fresh, you are going to love a SmartMouth. I was just gifted a few of their mouthwashes, including their evening mouthwash, and I've been using these for a few days, and they are so impressive. What makes this incredible is that it is alcohol-free, paraben-free, really clean mouthwash that actually uses two different solutions that react when combined. You just mix 10 milliliters of the first one, and there's little lines in the cup to show you, with 10 of the other, or half and half. And when you first mix them, it will start green, but as it sits, it will actually change color to more of a blue color. So you want to mix these and immediately use them. And it is an activated zinc combination here that will give you immediate fresh breath and keep your breath fresh throughout the day. Now, some don't like the zinc aftertaste, and I want to share my trick for that. The zinc aftertaste doesn't come immediately. It usually comes for me about 30 plus minutes later. I'll kind of taste a slight zinky aftertaste. And all I do to prevent that is swish some water right after I use this. And that is totally okay. It has done its job in the swishing and the spitting. It works immediately. So there's no concern about drinking or eating afterwards. Though I do like to wait to eat till a little later. And this one is special in that this is their evening option. This is one of their newest releases. It actually has melatonin in it to help you sleep, along with a little bit more of a chamomile lavender flavor to it. Though with all of these, since I have been trying a few, the mix tastes pretty much the same for me. It's still more of a minty forward mix that really gives me that instant fresh breath. So if you never want morning breath again, want to sleep better, and have your breath smell fresh all day, every day, definitely check out SmartMouth. It is worth trying.